Okay, so we have the Top Vision jump starter pack. Let's go into the box and see what comes with it. So usually I like to do a little bit more professional video on it, but today we're just gonna go right through it, and I'll make a second part to this. So as you can see, it comes in a nice little box. Nice. It's nice looking. I like it so far. Pretty good. And let's see the inside. Okay, so here we have it. It comes with the jumper cables, a manual, and then it comes with the actual jump starter itself. It's very well packaged. I like it. It just looks very professional. As you can see, ooh, there it is. It's just a bag, some type of what is this? I don't know. We could look into that later, but for now, let's see how this works. As you can see, it has a display right here, which is going to show us the voltage, the power button. It has the input to charge it, and I don't know what this is yet. And on this side, on the front, it has the light. It has the connectors for the, let's say you want to charge your phone, you can plug it in there. So overall, it looks pretty nice, as you can tell. And now let's get to the jumper cables. It has the jumper cables, that type of connector right there. It has okay. I assume you hook it up here. I think this is like for a cigarette lighter. I think it outputs power to a cigarette lighter. So I don't know how this gets charged as of now. I'm guessing you charge it through USB or something. I don't know. Maybe with the car itself. But you know what? Let's go out and test it and see what's up with it. This is the first time I'm ever turning it on. It comes with 84% charge. I'm gonna go out to my car and I'm gonna try to jump start it. It didn't want to start before, so hopefully this does it, and I'll come back and I'll let you guys know. Oh, there's the light. A strobe light. Okay, I just want to shut it off. I'm gonna hold. Nope, I don't hold it. Well, I don't know how to turn it off, but it is what it is. Let's go to the car. All right, so I just read the manual, and I guess it turns off by itself. I don't have to press the power button for it to shut off by itself. But okay, let's go test it on my car, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. as you guys can see, I got it jump started, but it took me a few tries. I tried to jump start it with the remote start, which did not work. It would turn over and it would die. So what I had to do is I had to disconnect the jump starters from the pack, hook them back up, jump in the car, turn the key, and as soon as it turned on, I held the gas. I moved the RPMs up to like over 1,000, like 1,500. I kept it there for a while. Everything was flashing. And then once it stabilized, I let go of the gas, and the car's running right now. So, you know what? My impression of this thing is that it works. You saw the other video, you saw the other clips where it didn't turn over. That's because I guess it's better to do it yourself, to be in the car so you could hit the RPM. Because as you can see, my battery was really dead, like all the way, like what was that, like 0.5 or 3.5 or whatever that was, like 3 volts. So right now my car is running like normal, and you know what? This thing would save your ass if your battery is ever dead. This thing would definitely save your ass. I had no issue getting it to turn over. It's just that with the remote start, it's not gonna work, because you need to be in the car to give it enough, you know, to hit the RPM, get the RPM higher, so you could get some juice going into the battery. So yeah, guys, do I recommend this thing? Fuck yeah, I do, man. I do. It worked. That's what I wanted it to do. So yeah, I would say get it. If you can find it at a discount, get it. I bought it. This thing is usually like $80 something. I got it for like 61. They had a special, well, they had like a 30, I believe it was a 30% discount on Amazon with a coupon. So 30% discount. So I got it for like 61 plus tax. It came out to like 70, which is still good. This thing is supposed to be start up diesel engines, which I'm also interested in. So yeah, guys, if I say get it, it will save your ass. Your batteries are probably not gonna be as dead as mine, because this car I have it's been sitting here for a while. I have another vehicle that I daily drive. This is just a car that basically I don't drive anymore. So do I recommend it? Hell yeah. And as you can see, it showed you the bolts. So that's it, guys. Leave your comments, hit the share, and like. And thank you guys for supporting the videos. I'll bring back another video for you guys with different stuff all the time. Thank you guys. Bye.